Hello, Kat. Hello? Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Hello. How are you?
I'm very good.
You're very good. Yes, you're very good. So, since we haven't seen each other last night, that's why we see each other today. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, because here, our weather here is not good. It's raining so hard because of typhoon. We have typhoon here. That's why I haven't meet you last night. So now I am free. So I am meeting you now. So I am happy to see you again. Oh, what happened to your hair? What's wrong with the hair? Ah, you're handsome. Okay. Since it's our day to meet each other. Now we will have our lesson. So can you see teacher's screen? Can you see my screen? Can you see?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, now let's start. Okay, I'll do share screening here. All right. So we are now, okay, so are you ready? You ready to have our lesson? Yes?
Yes.
All right. So I want you to look at me and listen to me so that you will learn. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now here, before we have our lesson, let's have a review. Okay, let us recall or remember again what we learned last Wednesday. Okay, let's have a review. Now here, we have here clothes that we learned last Wednesday. So can you still remember this clothes? Do you still know this? What is this? What's the name of this? It starts with letter S. Okay, all right. I will write here. Okay, what's the name of this? Scarf. Very good. Yes, this is scarf. How about this one? What is this? Tie. Good job. Still remember tie. How about this one? What is this?
Raincoat.
Raincoat. Very good. So what are the clothes that we have here? This one is a
Scarf.
scarf. Very good. This one?
Tie.
Tie. And this one?
Raincoat.
Raincoat. Good job. Very good. Still remember. Next, I have here. All right. I still have another words. What is this?
Sock.
Sock. There's two. Socks. Again.
Socks.
Okay, this one.
Sandal.
Sandal. A sandal. How about this word?
Slipper.
Slipper. Right. Very good. So again, what are the clothes that we have here? This one is what we called as. What's this?
Socks.
Socks. Good. This one.
Sandal.
Sandal. And this one?
Slipper.
Very good. Still remember. Very good. Next. How about this? All right. We have here this one. Boots. Okay. What is the spelling? How to write boots? How? B
O-T.
O
T-S.
T. Yes, boots. How about this one? What is this?
Hat.
Hat. How to write hat?
G.
H. It's H. H. Next.
A.
A. T. Hat. Good. How about this one? What is this?
J-B.
This one. What's this?
T-A-B.
T-I-P. It starts with letter C.
A-B.
A-P. What is that? It's called as?
Cap.
Cap. Very good. So again, can you say these three? Boots. Go.
Was.
Boots,
Hat.
hat, and
Cap.
cap. Very good. Intelligent. Smart kid. Next. How about this one? All right. What is this?
Dress.
Dress. How to write dress?
D.
D
R.
R
E.
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 Oh, done E. One E only.
S.
S. S. Very correct. Next, this word. Wait. Okay. What is this? It starts with letter J. A.
C.
C.
K.
K.
E. T.
E. T. Okay, so this one is a, what's this? Jacket. Very good. How about this one? It starts with letter T. Do you still remember this?
I don't know.
I don't know. So this is what we called as tight. Tight, right?
Side.
How to spell tight? Do you know? T-I.
E.
Another? What's the word?
E.
G. It's G.
N.
No, is it? Is it that? Hmm?
N.
G. H. E. Tight. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. What is this? Dress. Go. What is this?
Dress.
Dress. This one.
Jacket.
Jacket. This one. Tight. Good. Very good. Wait. I'll erase this first. All right. Next. Next word. Next word. Very good. Still remember? All right. So what lesson are we now? We are in lesson. What lesson? Lesson 31.
31. Blonde.
Point.
Plus blonde. 5.
5. Yes, we are now at lesson 31.5, which is still clothes. Do you know why we are still in clothes? Because there are a lot of clothes that we still don't know. That's why you have to learn these different kinds of clothes. Now here, review again. All right. So what is this?
Dress.
Dress. This one.
Socks.
Socks. This one.
T-shirts.
T-shirts. So we are done with this, right? We are done in here. Yes? Next. We have here, what's this?
Trousers.
Trousers. Very good. This one.
Socks.
Oh, this one, what's this?
Shorts.
Shorts. Good. Again, dress. Go.
Dress. Socks. T-shirt. Trousers. Shorts.
Very good. Shorts. Next. Oh, I will let you watch a video. Okay?
Yes.
Oh, tell me if you can hear it or not, okay? Tell me if you heard it or not. I'll ask you. Can you hear it?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, there is a sound. Okay. Okay.
I hear you.
Wait, you didn't hear it?
Yes.
All right, wait. Tell me. Very good that you told me. Okay, again. Okay, you heard it already?
Yes.
Okay, there's a sound now. Okay.
Help the clothes! Look, this is Rosie's dress.
Are these her socks?
Yes, they are.
Is this Billy's t-shirt?
Yes, it is. Put it in his basket. Are these his trousers?
No, they aren't his trousers. They're my shorts.
Okay, so that was the video. You want to watch it again? You want it again? Okay, one more time. I will let you watch it, okay?
Yes.
All right, here we are.
Help the clothes! Look, this is Rosie's dress.
Are these her socks?
Yes, they are.
Is this Billy's t-shirt?
Yes, it is. Put it in his basket. Are these his trousers?
No, they aren't his trousers. They're my shorts.
Okay, so that was the video, a short video. Okay, now here.
No. Clothes.
Okay, so again. Can you make it a bit louder? Go. Help.
Help. The clothes. Look, this is Rosie's dress.
This one.
This here
Her.
her socks. Yes, they are.
Very good. You said it correctly. The words are said correctly. Very good. Good job. So again, teacher will read it. So help the clothes. Look, this is Rose's dress. Are these her socks? Yes, they are. So this was the short conversation that you watched a while ago. So now we have here. Oh, not yet done. Please read.
Is this Billy's scissors? Yes, it is. But it's in his basket.
Oh, all right. Again. Is this Billy's t-shirt? Go. Again. Read. Read this one. Is this? Go.
It is
Is.
Billy
Look at me. Not it. It should be is. Again. Is.
is.
Go.
Is this Billy's scissors?
This one.
Yes, it is.
Oh, yes, it is. Go.
Yes, it is.
It is. Go.
But yes, it is.
Oh,
Was it in his basket?
very good. Next. Good job. You read it correctly. Now here, not yet done. This one, what's this?
This his trousers.
Yes, are these his trousers? What is the answer?
No, they are.
Aren't.
If
This is aren't. Rent.
no, they aren't.
Good.
His trousers. They are my shorts.
Very good. They are my shorts, right? Next. Oh, so look at this one. Can you please read each of this? Go. This one first. Go. Read. This. This one. Read.
Her dress.
Oh, this one.
These are his socks.
Are.
They the socks.
Are
Yes,
these. Again. Are these her socks? Again.
more socks.
Yes.
They are.
This one.
Are these his trousers? No, they aren't.
Okay, so we have here the word aren't. What is aren't? So aren't is the short form of are not. Okay, are not and aren't are the same. Okay, these two are the same, and the short form for are not is aren't. So when we say aren't, it is are not. Okay?
Yes.
Get it? Yes. Next. We have here. Oh, write his or her. Okay? Now let's discuss what is his and her. Look at me. So, if we talk about a man or a,
His or her.
oh, if it's man or boy, look at teacher. Man or boy, we use his. Okay? His is for boys. Her is for girls. Right?
Yes.
Again, his is for boys and her is for girls.
Girl.
Okay, here. Look at teacher. Is teacher a girl or a boy? Look at me. Am I a girl? Huh? What is it?
Girl.
Girl. So what will you use? His or her? If it's a girl.
Her.
Her. Very good. Okay. How about you, Pat? Pat. Is Pat a girl or a boy? Pat. You. Are you girl or boy? Pat? Oh. Are you girl or you are a boy?
Boy.
Boy. Very good. So what will you use? His or her if it's a boy? Boy. His or her?
His.
His. Very good. You got it right. So look at the girl in look at the person in the picture. Is the person girl or boy? Look at this one. Girl. So what will you use? His or her? This is a girl. What will you use? His or her? Very good. So you will say, these are her socks. Again.
These are her socks.
Very good. Very good. Next, number 2. Look at the person in number 2. A girl. Okay, listen. Is this girl or boy?
Boy.
Boy. What will you use? His or her? His or her? His. Very good. So what will you say? This is his t-shirt. Again?
This is his t-shirt.
Very good. I like it. Very good. Next, look at the person in number 3. Girl or boy? This one. Look at number 3. Is number 3 a girl or it's a boy? What's this?
Girl.
Girl. What will you use? His or her?
Her.
Her. So you will say,
This is her dress.
this is her dress. Very good. His and her. Good job. Next. Point and ask, answer. Okay. Look at this one. Is this her trousers? What's your answer? Yes.
No.
It is. Yes, it's his. Or yes or no, it doesn't.
No.
No, it doesn't. You say, no, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
How about this one? Is this his shorts?
Yes. It's it.
You will say, yes, it's his. Again?
Yes, it's his.
All right. This one. Is this his trousers?
Yes, it's his.
You'll say, yes, it's his. Again? Say it again. Yes, it's his. Go. Yes? Follow me. Follow teacher. Yes, it's his. Go.
Yes, it's his.
Very good. How about this one? Is this her socks? Look at the socks.
No.
No, it doesn't. Go.
No, it doesn't.
All right. Good job. All right. Now here, let's have a review. All right. Let's have a review. Wait, I'll share it again because I'll ask for a review. Okay, there you go. Can you tell me, look at me. Can you tell me the names? What happened? Okay, what is this? All right, where is it? Sorry. Okay, what is this again? What is this again? What's the name of this?
Scarf.
Scarf. Good. This one.
Tie.
Tie. This one. What is this?
Raincoat.
Raincoat. Very good. This one. What is this?
Socks.
Socks. This one.
Sandal.
Sandal. This one.
Sandal.
Slipper. How about this word? What's this?
Boots.
Boots. How about this?
Hat.
Hat. Good. This one.
Cap.
What's this?
Cap.
Cap. Very good. Cap. How about this one?
Dress.
Dress. This one?
Jacket.
Jacket. This one?
Tie.
Tight. Very good. So again, what's this? Please read.
Dress.
Dress.
Socks.
Socks.
Scissors.
T-shirt.
Trousers.
Trousers.
Socks.
Shorts. Okay, now I want you to read the conversation again with correct pronunciation. Say it correctly. Go.
Clothes. Look, this is Rosie's dress.
Good.
Are these her socks? Yes, they are.
Very good. Next. This one.
Is this Billy Jesus?
Billy's. There's S. Billy's.
Billy's.
Billy's. Go.
Billy's
Good.
T-shirt.
Mhm.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
It is. It is. Go.
It is.
All right.
Put
Next.
in his basket.
All right. Again. Yes, it is. Go. Can you say the word yes, it is?
Yes, it is.
Oh, yes, it is. Now, put it in the basket.
His basket.
All right. Next. Very good, huh? Don't forget to say the word yes, it is. It is, not is. Okay? It is. Can you say it again? It is. Say again. It is. Go.
Yes, it is.
Oh, yes, it is. Next. Very good. Don't forget that one because sometimes I heard you mispronounce those words. Okay? This one.
That is trousers.
Are these his trousers? Again. Are these his trousers? Go. Say it. Say it. Say it again. Are again. Are these his trousers?
Trousers.
Very good. You'll say, no, they aren't his trousers. Go.
No, they aren't his trousers. They are my shirt.
Oh, you will say, not they are my, it's they're my shorts. They're. Go.
There.
Oh, they're my shorts. Okay. They are and there are the same. Okay, they are or they're my shorts. Okay, next. How about this one? Please read. This is her dress. Go.
Dress.
Again.
This is her dress.
All right, this one.
Are his socks.
You will say this.
Are
Look
her
at.
socks.
Okay, look at teacher. This. Okay, listen to me. Listen to me. This and these.
These.
Yeah.
These are his socks.
All right. Yes.
Are these her socks?
This one.
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are. How about this?
Are these his trousers? No, they aren't.
All right. Very good. Okay. Right, go. Please read.
This is her his t-shirt.
Oh, this one.
This
Not
is
this.
her dress.
Oh, how about this one? How to read this one? This one, number 1. These are, go.
These are her socks.
Good. Number 2. Number 2. This is, go.
This is his t-shirt.
This one.
This is her dress.
Okay, now I will ask you. What if, okay, tell me, look at me, huh? Tell me if you will use his or her. Again, if it's his, boy, her, girl. Okay? Right?
Yes.
All right. So, what if it's mother? Mother. What is the answer for mother? His or her? Again? Her. Very good. How about father?
His.
His. How about brother?
His.
His. How about sister?
Her.
Her. How about grandfather? His. How about grandmother?
Her.
Her. Very good. You got it. Is it easy? The his and the her? Easy?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How about this one? You say it. Her trousers. Go.
No, aren't.
No, aren't. Is this his shorts?
Yes, it's his.
Oh, again, yes, it is. Go.
Yes, it's go.
Not is. Yes, it is. Go.
Yes, is go.
Not is. Yes, it is.
Yes, it's his. Go.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. It is.
It's it.
It is. Wait, I'll write it here. Yes, it is. Go. Say it. How to read this? Yes, it. Say the word it.
It's yes, it is.
Oh, again. Yes.
It is.
Oh, again, another one.
Yet it is.
Oh, don't forget to say yes, it is, because sometimes, listen to teacher. Okay? Because sometimes you forgot to pronounce it properly. The word yes, it is. Okay? It should be yes, it is, not is. Right?
Yes, it is.
Oh, again, yes, it is. Go. Yes?
Yes, it is. Go.
All right. You'll say, I am good.
I am good.
I am smart.
I am smart.
Yes, you are smart because you learn so fast. Okay? You learn so fast. That's why teacher can say that you are smart. So please don't forget the word yes, it is. Because I have noticed that you mispronounce the word it sometimes. You make it is, not is. It should be it. Okay? Again. Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Go. Yes, it is.
Go.
Again. Say it again. Yes.
Yes, is it. Go.
Again. Yes.
It is. Go.
Alright. Good job. You said it correctly. The yes, it is. Please, look at me. Please don't forget that one. Alright? Alright?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Next meeting, we will review on that because I want you to remember what we discussed today. Okay? I
Yes.
want you to learn what we talked today. Please don't forget it. All right? All right?
Yes.
Did you learn something? Did you learn? Look at me.
Yes.
So say, yes, I do. Did you learn?
Yes, I do.
All right. So that would be all for today. And I will see you on, when will we see each other? On Monday. When will we see each other?
Monday.
You will say, we will see on Monday. Go. Say it. We will see you on Monday. Say it. We will. Follow teacher. We will. We will see you on Monday.
Monday.
Yes, I will teach you on Monday. So that would be all for today and goodbye. Okay, have a nice day. All right? Have a nice day. And I had a great time teaching you because you are smart and also with your brother. Your brother is also smart like you. All right? So,
Yes.
goodbye. Okay, so goodbye again. Bye-bye. Yes, bye-bye.
Teacher.
Yes, goodbye, Pat.